I was supposed to start filming last night, or at least I should have. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time, but today I have a product review for you guys, and it was actually something that I reviewed last year and was working on editing, and finally am wrapping up the editing and I present it to you. So let's jump right into the video. Enjoy! But here I am today. So I started using the little kit last night and I love it. My skin is actually not looking that bad today when I woke up. It has been just really red and angry lately, I guess because I've been pretty messy and have not been eating the healthiest. So let me show you how this product looks and how it feels and all that stuff. So let's get started with my morning skincare routine. Here's that Hamish All Cream Balm that I've been using for forever. I used to only use it to remove makeup, but now I use it day and night. And here is the consistency. So something about this product is, or the kit at least, is that it does not come with a cleanser. I'm not sure this line even has a cleanser. And I need to do a little more research to inform you guys about whether or not it's similar to the Sunjung line and whether this came before the Sunjung line or they came around the same times. Because this one is called True Relief and it's for deep moisturizing and deep calming, and everything's from like pure plant extract. So gotta look more into it, and I will obviously put all the information in this video as we go along. Now I'm done with the cleansing. So I'm finished with the cleansing process. Now I'm just gonna tap the water off of my face. Okay, so first step is the Moistness toner. So it is a spray bottle, which is interesting because I have a lot of Innisfree, or wrong company, Etude house products, and they usually don't have toner in a spray bottle, and I usually would just put one of these bottles and put the toner in here. So let's go and spray. I usually like to hold it for, it's a pretty fine mist by the way. Tap it all in. Need a little more in the forehead. Okay. Let that soak in a little. And they come with a moist emulsion and moist cream. I tried only the moist emulsion last night. Emulsion is basically, for those of you who don't know, a lighter consistency than the cream. Okay, alright. So here's the consistency of the emulsion versus the cream. And as you can tell, the cream is obviously a lot thicker versus the emulsion. Yeah, so I feel like this is a great way, like a side-to-side comparison that I've ever done. And here is that emulsion versus cream consistency that I was telling you guys about earlier. As you can see, the cream is a lot thicker. Do you see how it spreads out? Okay, and here is the emulsion. More runny. Okay, alright, so I have the products on the back of my hand. I guess I'll mix the two together. Just apply some of that on just half of my face. And usually you're supposed to apply the emulsion before you apply the cream, but I didn't want any product to go to waste, so I think that if I blend, or I mix, since I mix it together, the lighter weight, smaller molecules will absorb into my skin first, and the bigger molecule will absorb later, or maybe it won't be absorbed at all, and it'll just be the emulsion that gets absorbed. But yeah, usually in the summer I don't use cream because it's really thick. You don't necessarily need it because there's so much moisture in the air already with the humidity and all that stuff. So let's go in with the emulsion. I like the lightweight consistency, not sticky. It's not fragrant like most of Etude House products. I think because this is geared towards inflamed, it's to help reduce inflammation for sensitive skin. Okay, gonna massage it in. Make sure everything is all nicely spread out before I tap it in. And patting creates, it helps with blood circulation and helps the skin absorb the product better. So that's why I'm all about tapping the product in. And you can use this time to massage too, but I usually don't. It would help with puffiness, but I feel like most emulsion or cream, they wear out that oiliness, and then there would be so much friction between your fingers and your face skin that it just ends up like pulling and tugging. So yeah, I don't do that. Okay, so let me do a little closer up for you guys to see how my skin is and what it's like after I finish using it. And I think I might either do this for 2 weeks or maybe a month, which is about 4 weeks. I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes, and then I'll make up the video title then. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after it's all done. Let's see how oily I will get, or maybe I'll put on makeup. I'm thinking about putting on makeup and running some errands today. I'm not sure, but we'll see how oily I get or how it'll mess with my makeup. I think I'll maybe add in that portion just so you guys see. And I have oily combination skin, for you, those of you who don't know. Etude House website. This is the True Relief Moist Mist Toner. He says here, this moisturizing toner contains fine moisturizing particles that smoothly absorb into dry and sensitive skin without irritation, with its smooth and moisturizing effects. So that's what it is, like product description and how to apply. Use as the first step of your skincare after washing the face. Spray evenly to the face. Use frequently or whenever the skin feels dry. So yeah, obviously you shouldn't expose it to direct sunlight. Use only as directed. Stop using if it causes you any allergic reaction. Here are the ingredients. You see hyaluronic acid, there's mushroom extract, chestnut seed extract, chicory root extract, xanthan gum, butylene glycol. Okay, glycerines, ceramide 3. Okay, so your regular ingredients. And then here you have your True Relief Moist Emulsion, which they're out of stock. It says that the moisturizing emulsion contains non-irritating formula that smoothly replenishes your skin with rich moisture. So after a toner, apply the appropriate amount to the face and massage from the center out. Then with the leftover moisture, gently dab so that the skin absorbs them, which I normally do. And then there is the cream. Non-irritating moisturizing care for skin prone to dryness and sensitive skin. Oh, prone to dryness and sensitive skin. Sorry, like reading it weird. Let's see. On your last step of skincare, apply the appropriate amount onto the face and massage from the center out. Then with the leftover moisture, gently dab away so the skin absorbs them. So you can see more picture on their Instagram page. Okay, let's see. The ingredients are here. Okay, and here is, I was trying to find any marketing material, but I couldn't find any, but this is one of them from I Buy Beauty. The checklist says, feel tightness of skin easily, having redness, suddenly having pimples or blushes, makeup texture not blend into skin well. This is the hypoallergenic skin treatment. I spelled that wrong. They spelled one other thing that was wrong on here as well. Yeah, left. They spelled that wrong. Hypoallergenic test completed, non-comedogenic test completed, suitable for sensitive skin, free from harmful ingredients. And I was trying to look up other websites for reviews and see how other people are liking it. Oh, here, this is a grade 1 right here of all the ingredients, the function, the safety, acne, irritants, all that good stuff. Yeah, this is the little thing, message, product description that I just read to you guys just now. Yeah, usually when I'm testing out these products, I'm trying to gauge how other people are using it and liking it, just to get their overall feel for it, even though I tried myself for 1 month. But yeah, honestly, would I repurchase, or would I go from the sample, the travel size kit to the full size products? No, I probably wouldn't, because there are other products out there that I am more interested in trying or using. The products ended up leaving me much of a grease ball, now that I'm like editing the video and looking back on it. And I would probably be I'd be better off using the Soonjung, the Etude House Soonjung line. I like those products a lot better than this one. Well, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And make sure you leave a comment down below telling me what kind of products have you guys been trying out lately. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that when new video comes out, you guys will be notified right away. Again, this is Khoi. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And I promise that when I come back next time, the audio in my video will be a lot better. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!